Hi, the wind is winding, but everybody, it's Kay Toretto here for today's video. Come with me as I'm gonna be taking you to the episode 3 of my UAE vlog. See at my back, it's the Union Metro Station. Everybody, that is Dubai frame. You see?
UAE Exchange. المحطة القادمة هي
Finally, Burj Khalifa in Kay Toretto's vlog.
Dubai Mall. The next station is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
Hoy! Namiss ko to yung everyday kong pinupunta. Dito ako nag-work. There was a sandstorm. I know, I'm sure. See? Dito it's not alikabok, it's sandstorm. So in Dubai, we have sandstorm. Hello po. Do you know me po? Ay, magay naman ako sa inyo. Hoy, kilala daw nila ako. Saan po kayo pupunta? Hello. Oh, nice meeting you. What's your name po?
Agnes.
Nice meeting you po. Sige po, ingat po.